America Home presents the News Hour at 10 with Arnab Goswami.
On debate number 2 tonight, Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP, Mahesh Jethmalani, senior advocate, and General G.D. Bakshi on one side tonight. On the other side, I have Wasim Beg, former additional advocate general of J&K. He leans towards the PDP. Junaid Mattu, spokesperson of the National Conference, and Irfaz Hafiz Lone, activist and lawyer. Are we ready to debate? And my first question is to Junaid Mattu. Junaid Mattu, Omar Abdullah says that the state government cannot absolve itself from the responsibility of safeguarding infrastructure in the state. But let me ask you, where was this sense of responsibility when a Christian school, I hope you can hear me, Junaid, when a Christian school was set ablaze by terrorists under your tenure in February 2011? You were also a mute spectator then. Where was your sense of responsibility of safeguarding state infrastructure? And I hope you'll give me a specific reply to the instances I'm mentioning tonight, Junaid. When police barracks and an office complex were torched during a separatist protest on Eid in Srinagar during your tenure in September 2011. If the problem is of these anti-India elements, if they are the genesis of the problem, then Junaid Mattu, without absolving the PDP of responsibility, you have also been pandering to them. You have, Irfan Hafiz Lone has, all of you have pandered to anti-India elements. All of you have become mute spectators. None of you openly and directly and consistently take on these so-called separatists who are nothing but the overground group of the terrorist organizations. So your position also on this is quite flimsy, to put it simply. Junaid Mattu, please defend your position, open the debate, and then I'll go to the others, please. Junaid Mattu.
What is your question, Arnab?
My question is simple. 25 schools have been burnt in the last 115 days in the valley. Why don't you question those who defend, justify, and build an argument for those who defend the youth in Kashmir to pick up the gun, namely the separatists? Why are you soft on these separatists?
I'm glad you...
Yeah.
I'm glad
if you want me to ask the question a third time, I will. Yeah.
No, you asked the question now. Till now, it was not a question. We do not hold a brief for anybody who is barbaric enough to attack a school. You mentioned past incidents. I am amazed that you mentioned you're comparing the incident of a single burnt school. The culprits of that incident were arrested the very next day. You're comparing the incident of one burnt school to
not
the
one burnt
of
school. Not one burnt school. Not one burnt school. Please don't try and trivialize it. I am talking about the arson of September 2011. Yeah, I'll let you complete, but don't, let me bring you back on facts. Yeah. Junaid, continue.
No, I'm not trivializing it. I'm not trivializing. Arnab, I'm not trivializing it. I'm just telling you that 24 burnt schools is a trend. It is not an incident, a single incident of arson. What happened in the past when Bisco School in Tangmarg was burnt was extremely tragic. Anybody who attacks a school is not only an enemy of human evolution and enlightenment, he is an enemy of the people of Kashmir.
General comments, these are all general comments.
Took 24.
These are general comments.
Do you want me to participate in your debate?
But it's a general comment you're making. Why aren't you answering me specifically?
Arnab, trust me, being on Times Now. Trust me, being on Times Now doesn't help us politically.
That's all right. But answer me specifically, Junaid. Answer me specifically.
Do you want me to walk off or answer?
Listen, Junaid, answer me specific. Did I ask you a specific question?
Stop interrupting.
Did I ask you a specific question?
Don't listen to me.
No. Did I ask you a specific question, Junaid?
Do not. If you interrupt me again, I'll walk off.
Junaid, listen. Junaid, see, this walkout argument doesn't work with me. It's water of a duck's back. I'm asking you a specific question, and I'm asking you a specific question.
Then fine.
I am asking you a specific question.
If you don't care, if you don't care for me to be on your show,
if you come on
this without me.
Why ask you a specific question? Answer the specific question.
I'm on your show because you begged me to be on your show.
No, I'm asking you a specific question. I am asking you a specific question. 25 schools.
I'm telling you for the last time, let me answer.
25 schools have been burnt over 115 days.
Let me answer.
Okay, I'll let you answer, but you listen to my question and then answer. My question is, please.
I have heard your question.
No. Listen to the broader point I'm making and then respond. You want to show impatience and all that, it doesn't work. I'm asking you a specific broader question.
I'm not impatient. I'm showing self-respect. I'm showing self-respect.
Okay, good. And then let's ask the question. 25 schools.
I'm not here for an interrogation,
Junaid, listen.
I'm not here for an interrogation.
Junaid, you know the core issue. You are not coming to it. And let's come to the core issue. 25 schools have been burnt over 115 days in the Kashmir Valley. Isn't it time to ask, where are the candlelight vigils for this cause from those who have spent long days and nights in vigils? When a self-confessed terrorist called Burhan Wani was successfully deneutralized by Indian security forces?
Let me answer.
Answer, and then the debate is open.
I don't hold a brief for Hurriyat. I don't know what they are scared of. It took them 24 burnt schools to show the courage of issuing a customary condemnation. The people of Kashmir are hurting. Anybody who attacks our schools is attacking, the future of our children. And somewhere, we have said that the government has a primary responsibility to protect infrastructure, but somewhere.
I'm sorry.
Should introspect.
I'm sorry, Junaid. You can do what you want, and you can threaten. You can do what you want. You don't have the guts to answer a specific question, which is why you're running away from it. I am asking you a specific question. You don't want to make a point on the Hurriyat, which is why you're running away from the news. I'm grateful that you are, because I don't care for all of this. Because politicians who think that they will not answer questions will try and browbeat the other side, and Junaid Mattu runs away from the debate. It's his choice. Let Shabnam Lone answer that tonight. Shabnam Lone, answer that tonight, because you were the people who came on Newsa and said that Burhan Wani is not a terrorist. You are the people who idolized him tonight. And I'm asking you today, Shabnam Lone, unless you also threaten to walk off the debate, and you can if you want to. But 25 schools are burnt in 115 days. It is an attack on every Indian, because it is a direct attack on Indian institutions, Indian youth, India's development and India's progress. It is about our republic. And with that direct attack, it is time to confront those who have done everything possible to distract the Kashmiri youth and encourage them to attack the state. You're not being able to...
Let me answer it.
Yeah, go ahead.
It is absolutely impermissible for anyone to wreck the jewel of life, that is education. Whosoever it is must be punished, because someone is destroying the future of our children.
I'm sorry, Shabnam Lone, you are as much responsible. Shabnam Lone, I'm sorry, Shabnam Lone, you are as much responsible. You personally are as much responsible, because you have sympathized and rationalized those who defend the right to take up arms against the state. You came on the Newsar and refused to call Burhan Wani a terrorist, is broadcasting those views which don't remain razor focused, to say that there is no defense to taking up arms, a position that encourages the Kashmiri youth to take to books, or does it allow the Kashmiri youth to build a rationalization for picking up guns? On the 1st of August this year, you came on Newsar and stated, in the context of Burhan Wani, there is a need to introspect rather than blaming. Why don't we have positive conversations? What positive conversation can we have, Shabnam Lone, if we have people like you who are always giving the benefit of doubt to terrorists and to the supporters of terrorists, instead of saying that we need to banish those elements and focus on educating the youth? You did come on the news, you built a case for terrorists, which is why I will not let you be wishy-washy tonight. Yes, Shabnam Lone.
I stand by my statement. Now,
there you are. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Mahesh Jethmalani, you heard it. That's it. If you stand by that statement, if you stand by that statement, then you are supporting terrorists. If you stand by that statement, you are supporting terrorists. You have no business saying on the program today that you are against those who burn schools, because you're backing the people who burn the schools. You are backing people who set schools ablaze. You are the people who will not allow the children of Kashmir to have an education.
By a pseudonym,
Shabnam Lone. Shabnam Lone.
He wrote anti-India articles. He was asking.
The debate is open now. Mahesh Jethmalani, GD Bakshi, as well as Sudhanshu Trivedi, if they'd like to come into the debate, please. Shabnam Lone. Shabnam Lone, you cannot run with the hare and hunt with the hound. You can't.
In that school.
Mr. Arnab, Chief Minister of the J&K, Madam Mehbooba Mufti said that these youngsters, locals who have resorted to gun culture, who have picked gun, They should not be killed. They should be given one opportunity. They should not be killed. These locals who have resorted to gun culture. The Chief Minister of the J&K is saying like this. Why you are just blaming Madam Shabnam?
I am not interested in your local politics. I am interested in the point being made here, and I believe that Shabnam Lone.
Local politics.
It is about politics. It is about politics. Okay, Mahesh Jethmalani is responding. Sudhanshu Trivedi before that, and then Mahesh Jethmalani will come into the debate. Sudhanshu Trivedi before that. Sudhanshu Trivedi taking on Shabnam Lone on the debate. 1 minute. It's 10:37. Sudhanshu Trivedi is taking on Shabnam Lone. May the two please be on the screen right now. Sudhanshu Trivedi and Shabnam Lone, please. Shabnam Lone, let Sudhanshu Trivedi make his point, and then I'll come to you. You don't like the fact that I interrupted you there, Shabnam Lone. आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा कि आपको मैंने रोका आज.
Hafiz is trying to say that there is a gun culture, but I would like to say from where this gun culture started. Is this happening for the first time? I would like to remind the first time in 1990s there was an incident of a school burning. Why it was there? I think this is not just an incident which should be taken in isolation. Rather than it is a systematic, nefarious attempt in order to stop all type of any possibility of rational thinking and education in the coming generation, as it was done in 1990s, and then the subsequent radicalization of Kashmir was done. So, in my opinion, this is a systematic attempt in which the children of leaders, they are in the safe haven, and those children of Kashmir, they are first deprived of development, then they are deprived of jobs, now they are being deprived of the fundamental education, and I am still astonished.
You are selling a wrong dream to India. You are selling
मैं तो ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कहाँ गए वो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रोफेशनल्स जो बात करते थे ह्यूमन राइट्स की. महबूबा मुफ्ती has categorically said that the children were going to pelt stones on army. They were not going to pick up the bread or the milk. Now I am asking, ये आजादी की लड़ाई है क्या?
कंट्रैक्टरों को
जो लोग आकर बच्चों के स्कूलों को लगातार खत्म कर रहे हैं, my simple question is this the fight for freedom? Is this the fight for their rights?
आप क्या समझते हैं हमको? हमें दुख नहीं है. आप लोग कौन है हमें बोलने?
Who are you with? आप किसके साथ हैं? आप किसके साथ हैं?
दुख है, सबको दुख है. मगर मैं देखता हूँ कि हर दुख के बाद एक कदम ऐसा आता है कि कश्मीर को आप बर्बादी की तरफ ज्यादा बढ़ा देते हैं आजादी के नाम पे. जो डिकेड बाय डिकेड चलता चला रहा है.
Viewers, I just want to draw your attention. I have a breaking news input at this point of time. मेरे पास breaking news input है. Sudhanshu Trivedi और Shabnam Lone 2 minute रुक जाए. I have a breaking news input at this stage, and I want to share with the viewers right now that the office that as I speak and I bring you this broadcast tonight, is Waqt Government Principals Residential Quarter has been set ablaze in Shopia, Kashmir. और मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ आज, that whose side are you with, Shabnam Lone? Are you with the children? Are you with the students? Or are you with the terrorists? Mahesh Jethmalani has a question to you. Mahesh Jethmalani is taking on Shabnam Lone. Mahesh Jethmalani, GD Bakshi, I'm coming to you after that. Mahesh Jethmalani, please.
Can you ask me this question?
I am asking you this question. Yes, I am asking you this question. I will ask you the question again. Even if you don't like it, I will ask you the question 1,000 times. I will ask you the question. You get offended if I ask you the question because Shabnam Lone, nobody else asks you the question as directly. But I will ask you the question, and let me tell you why. Let me tell you why I will ask you the question, Shabnam Lone. Let me tell you why I will ask you the question. I will ask you a question because it was you, Shabnam Lone. Because it was you, Shabnam Lone, who called Burhan Wani a victim of the system.
You are supporting Mehbooba Mufti.
You are the person who came on Newsar and called Burhan Wani a victim of the system on the 9th of August 2016.
आप महबूबा मुफ्ती से पूछिए कि बुरहान वानी कौन है?
And no, I'm sorry, Shabnam Lone, Mahesh Jethmalani has a counter question to you. Mahesh Jethmalani has a counter to you. Mahesh Jethmalani, please. Mahesh Jethmalani has a counter question to you. Mahesh Jethmalani, please. Mahesh Jethmalani, please. Shabnam Lone, don't get aggressive with me. Mahesh Jethmalani.
सपोर्ट चाहिए हमें. महबूबा
Mahesh Jethmalani.
सपोर्ट मत करें, बच्चों को सपोर्ट करें, कश्मीर हमको सपोर्ट करें. महबूबा
अरे आप किनके साथ है? बच्चों के साथ है कि आतंकवादियों के साथ है?
मैं अपने कश्मीर के बच्चों के साथ.
बच्चों के साथ है तो आतंकवादियों के साथ कैसे हो सकते हैं जो वो बच्चों के स्कूल चला रहे हैं?
बात करने
जो बच्चों के स्कूल जला रहे हैं, जो बच्चों के स्कूल जला रहे हैं, जो गवर्नमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स के घर को जला रहे हैं, जो ये टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज, जो दोस्त टेररिस्ट,
बच्चों जो स्कूल जला रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आप यू नो आप 2 मिनट जरा शबनम लोन ऐसे लोग हैं, ये बुरहान वानी जैसे जो लोग हैं बच्चों को भी नहीं बख्शते हैं, आप उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं। आज आपको मैं सीधा सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा? महेश जेठमलानी भी सवाल पूछेंगे आपको। महेश जेठमलानी इज ऑन द डिबेट। मिस्टर जेठमलानी
और कमान अर्नब, हमें
मिस्टर जेठमलानी,
हमें आपको, आप ये महबूबा मुफ्ती को
नो महेश जेठमलानी,
you are not, why are you
Arnab, I don't want to flog a dead horse by going into Shabnam Lone's past statements regarding, we've already done this on your channel, regarding her stand on Burhan Wani. But today, in the light of what is happening, 2025, and I'm not bothered about you. Frankly speaking, nobody is bothered about you. You are irrelevant in Kashmir now. You are irrelevant in Kashmir now.
Now even you are, come on.
And if you want to talk, like that, please.
I'm just a genuine
Shabnam
voice.
Lone, please.
I'm just a genuine
Who are you?
voice from Kashmir. Now why are you talking about relevance?
Don't filibuster me.
I'm not bothered about
please
what
don't
you
filibuster
say.
me. You have said enough. Do not filibuster me.
If you knew anything about Kashmir,
do not.
Kashmir would not be in such a such dire straits now.
Let Mahesh Jetmalani speak, please. Let him speak.
Shabnam Lone.
आप लोग मिले हुए हैं.
Shabnam Lone.
BJP is in cahoots.
Shabnam Lone.
With separatists there. You are in cahoots. आप लोगों
And
को
Shabnam Lone, you are in cahoots with Pakistan. You are in cahoots with Pakistan.
Oh really? Really? So what can you do? Go.
Yes.
Then take
Yes.
What can you do?
Me. What pathetic arguments? What a pathetic argument, Mr. Jetmalani.
Shabnam Lone, I am not
with Pakistan.
I am not getting personal with you. Shabnam Lone, will you?
आपने क्या ये हिंदू मुस्लिम करके
Shabnam
रखा है?
Lone,
सारे मुसलमानों को
Shabnam Lone, stop filibustering. Arey, don't filibuster.
I am not bothered about you
start
too,
questioning,
Mr.
please.
Jetmalani.
And nobody is bothered about you either. This country doesn't care about you.
मैं आपको सीरियस लेती
You are a proof you are a proof supporter of terrorists. That's what you are. You are.
Oh really? आप तो खुद नेगोशिएशन कर रहे थे दाऊद इब्राहिम के साथ. आपको कितना पैसा मिला था? How much money did you make? आप दाऊद के साथ नेगोशिएशन कर रहे थे और मुझे बोल रहे हैं. अरे क्या आप दाऊद के साथ कौन सी नेगोशिएशन कर रहे थे? How much money did दाऊद pay you?
But आप दाऊद के जेब में हैं आज. आप दाऊद इब्राहिम के जेब में हैं आज.
अरे दाऊद इब्राहिम के दोस्त तो आप हैं, हम तो नहीं है. आप ही तो
आप जो कह रहे हैं, आप दाऊद इब्राहिम के आदेश में कह रहे हैं.
कितना पैसा मिला है मुझे क्या पता है? जेठमलानी साहब, you must have got
you and your party.
You are a rich man and Dawood paid you. How much did he pay you?
Loan. Not as much as the Pakistanis are paying you.
Well, I am an income tax payer and I am proud of my hard work. I challenge you.
That's your official income.
Of India.
What about all the Pakistani money you are getting for supporting? You and Nawaz Sharif spoke in the same tone.
And from ISI, I have rejected every offer and I am proud of my hard work. I am an income tax payer and I am proud of my hard work.
Okay, I think we are going away from the subject.
You are an income tax payer.
At me. अरे जाएं, आप देखें, जाएं आप. हम आपकी तरह दाऊद के साथ चुप के नहीं मिलते हैं. हम जो हैं सो हैं. We are not like you.
आप सेपरेटिस्ट के साथ चुप के मिलते हैं.
And I'm not.
No, one second. Miss Lone. On 22nd February 2016, you came on the News Hour and blamed the Indian system and the Indian judiciary. And you are a Supreme Court lawyer. You are a Supreme Court lawyer.
For what? For what?
Let me complete.
Arnab ji, for what?
Arey Shabnam ji, don't get aggressive with me. I'm just explaining a fact to you. If you're on the back foot, अगर आपको तकलीफ हो रही है, जो facts, जो तथ्य मैं न्यूज़ आवर में अपने व्यूअर्स के सामने रख रहा हूं, आपको तकलीफ हो रही है, तो it's not my problem. Now listen to me, Shabnam Lone. Listen to me, Shabnam Lone. Listen to me now. Shabnam Lone, listen to me. Shabnam Lone. Shabnam Lone, listen to me now. GD Bakshi is coming on the debate. GD Bakshi is coming on the debate. Miss Lone on the 22nd of February. GD Bakshi is on the debate. I just want to mention it here, and I will mention every single time that this kind of comment has been made, because on 22nd of February 2016 you came on the Newshour and you blamed the Indian system and the Indian judiciary for rightfully hanging Afzal Guru by saying that Afzal Guru was selectively discriminated against.
Yes,
you said that. आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लॉयर हैं जीडी बख्शी
किलर्स को क्यों नहीं अरे क्या राजीव
आप अपने टॉपिक don't change the topic don't change the topic don't change the topic now don't change the topic don't change the topic आप टॉपिक क्यों चेंज कर रहे हैं जीडी बख्शी is on the debate GD Bakshi is on the other side you're changing the topic now GD Bakshi is responding GD Bakshi
can I kindly comment
सर ये तो मेरे पे इल्जामों पे इल्जाम लगा रहे
you know Arnab
आप इनसे ये गलत बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए
Shabnam can I kindly
आप इनको
अच्छा one second Mahesh Jetpalani want to respond Mahesh Jetpalani respond करना चाहते हैं
to state is
okay
I have spent over a decade fighting in Jammu and Kashmir. What is happening is the revival of an old phenomena. That gentleman from the National Conference walked out from your program. The entire 1990s, it was the National Conference. They were there and these schools were burning. Because at that time, they wanted to push the children into the madrasas so that they could be indoctrinated. They could be made to pick up the gun so that the syncretic Sufi culture of the valley could be destroyed, could be Wahhabized. And the valley turned into a ghetto, which it has unfortunately become today. These people are again taken to burning schools. Arnab, this is
not the first time.
Most of the time in the RR, we were rebuilding schools. Yes. To see that the children would not go without education. Every company of the Rashtriya Rifles had built a school. Every battalion had built a secondary level school.
Depicting true picture
to see that the children would not flounder. They would not be picking fodder. Fodder for the cannons of the terrorists. This is a deliberate attempt at
GD Bakshi,
the ghettoization
above
of the valley.
Constitution, above Parliament, above government stated position.
My dear friend, the Constitution tells you to burn schools.
Government is saying whatever.
Does the Constitution tell you to burn schools of the children?
And you are the
you have the cheek to defend it.
Seriously.
You have the bloody cheek to defend it.
You are a most inhuman
person. Calls you to
you
burn
never
schools.
feel the miseries and trauma, sufferings of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
The sufferings of the people of Jammu and Kashmir are because of terrorist supporters like you.
You are doing this service to nation. Your argument, your position is
by burning schools, by supporting those who burn schools. You are doing a disservice to humanity. You are doing a disservice to the poor children of Jammu and Kashmir, whom you are trying to turn into stone pelters and terrorists wielding guns at night.
To nab these culprits.
They want to live a normal, decent, human life. I know those children. I am from Jammu. I was born in Jammu. So don't tell me about the children of Jammu and Kashmir. I know how many children from the valley have been sent to Jammu to study. Have been sent to Delhi to study. Is that not a fact? You have been sending, the rich amongst you have been sending your children to Jammu, to Delhi and to other schools of the country.
So
what about the poor people there?
How this is relevant?
Do you have a tear to shed for the poor people of Jammu and Kashmir whose children are today without schools?
Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the subject. Shabnam Lone, Wasim Beg, you want to come in? Wasim Beg, you want to come in? One second. Wasim Beg, you have a point to make? Wasim Beg.
I need to come in now.
Okay, one second. Wasim Beg wants to come in. Wasim Beg is on the debate. Wasim Beg, please. Yes, Wasim Beg, and then I'm opening the debate again. Wasim Beg, you want to take a question here at this point of time? What do you think is the responsibility of the PDP government?
I would firstly like to clarify. I had made it amply clear. I am not a part of any political party, and I am not representing any political party here. I am solely here in my individual capacity.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, and coming to the debate at hand, I think it needs to be unequivocally, it needs to be condemned, the future of the
Wasim Beg, you are not with any political party, but
I will not fall shy of...
No, Wasim Beg, 59 days ago, Mehbooba Mufti invited the separatists for talks, and I'm going to... 59 days back, Mehbooba Mufti invited the separatists for talks with the all-party delegation for the peaceful resolution of the Kashmir issue. What was it but giving importance to those people who believe that people in Kashmir should pick up the gun against the Indian army? So you have to decide, can the state of Jammu and Kashmir, can Mehbooba...
You need to put to a PDP representative, number one.
No, what is your view on it?
And number two, in my opinion, this burning down of schools cannot be...
Who's burning down the schools?
Cannot be given a go by anybody who is found.
No, who is burning down the schools?
Needs to be taken to task.
Who's burning down the schools? Sorry, who's burning down the schools?
It hardly matters.
No, who's burning down the schools?
I strongly believe that.
Wasim Beg, 1 second.
I believe the separatists are. They are hand in glove with whatever is happening. I strongly believe that.
Yeah. Then why should these separatists? Why should?
Another thing that I would want to add.
Wasim Beg. You are saying that the separatists are behind the burning down of schools.
Yes.
I believe the terrorists are, and I believe that separatists are only a cover for the terrorists, right?
So they are part of the same group. Flames, yes.
Yeah. So what should be done to people who burn down schools?
They need to be put behind bars, of course, yes.
Yeah, why have they not been put behind bars? Why instead do political parties and individuals?
Why
do individuals and political...
I'm sorry, that's not a question for me.
No, why you are dodging the question. So that's actually the question out here. Why are we giving so much time to these separatists? It was the PD. All political parties, including Shabnam Lone, believe that these separatists should be spoken to. They should be given space. Shabnam Lone takes the position. They are stakeholders. Have dialogues with them. What stakeholders are they in any case under any constitution? Under which structure, Shabnam Lone, would you like to tell all of us tonight? And by the way, Shabnam Lone, you decide tonight which side you're on. I'm going to ask you once more, Shabnam Lone. I'm going to ask you once more. Aapko acha nahi lega. I'm going to ask you. And Sudhanshu Trivedi and Shabnam Lone are on the debate right now. So Wasim Beg, 1 second. Shabnam Lone and Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Kashmir policy as on date.
No. Shabnam Lone and Sudhanshu Trivedi, please, on the debate. Shabnam Lone, whose side are you on? The terrorists or the students? I think you...
Is it a question?
Yes, it is a question.
Students.
Okay. Then why...
Who can be on the side of a terrorist?
Well, you have been.
Why?
You have been.
Why did you ask me this question?
I am telling you why I did.
Arnab, you are such a respected anchor. Listen to me.
Listen. Flattery will not help you.
Now send a
flattery will not help you.
Message to people.
Flattery will not help you. Flattery will not help you.
I am not flattering you. Why should I?
But my question to you, Shabnam Lone, is Shabnam Lone.
You are a powerful anchor.
Shabnam Lone.
You are a powerful voice.
Shabnam Lone, मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. आप बताइए आप किसके साथ हैं? My question. Sudhanshu Trivedi, the question is simple. Whose side are you?
मैं आपके साथ हूँ अर्नब.
No, I don't want. No, I'm asking. Are you with the students or are you with the terrorists? Sudhanshu Trivedi has a counter to you. Sudhanshu Trivedi has a counter to you. Sudhanshu Trivedi सवाल पूछ रहा है आपको. Sudhanshu Trivedi, yes.
Now I just want to re-emphasize what General G.D. Bakshi was saying. This is not just a separate, isolated incident. This is a systematic design. इसे मैं कहना चाहूँगा, ये बाकायदा एक तालिबानी सोच है. यही अफगानिस्तान में हुआ था, यही पाकिस्तान में हुआ था कि पहले बच्चों को कमाई से महरूम करो, फिर पढ़ाई से महरूम करो, फिर लड़ाई में मशगूल करो और उसके बाद गरीबी में मजलूम रखो. इसीलिए देखिए जितने बड़े बड़े हुर्रियत के लीडर्स हैं, सबके बच्चा कोई रावलपिंडी में पढ़ रहा है, कोई लंदन में पढ़ रहा है, कोई दुबई में पढ़ रहा है, कोई मलेशिया में पढ़ रहा है और कम से कम दिल्ली और बेंगलोर में तो पढ़ ही रहे हैं. और वहां के बच्चों को पहले पत्थर चलाना सिखाओ और उसके बाद वो बेसिक फंडामेंटल एजुकेशन भी ना ले पाए, उसको एसेस करो. ये मेरा मानना है कि जो 1990s में हुआ था, whatever has been done in 1990s and subsequently the entire Kashmir Valley has been taken into such a disaster situation. Again it is being done on the behest of the forces, and for this the entire political class should come in one line in unequivocal terms.
कि गरीब बच्चे
अरे भाई ये ड्रामा नहीं है साहब, ये तो 1990 से चल रहा है. This is not just drama.
मेहरबानी करके आप लोग अपने आप को करेक्ट कीजिए। मैं मोदी साहब को मैसेज भेजना
ये क्या 1990s में नहीं हुआ?
आपको
उसके बाद की जो जनरेशन आई उसी को आपने टेररिस्ट बनाया,
इंडियन आर्मी को इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है।
फीलिंग दी।
आज तक कभी हमने नहीं सुना था कि कश्मीरी और आर्मी जो है एक दूसरे के दुश्मन है। इस पीडीपी सरकार को वहां पर बहाल रखने के लिए आपने ये क्या कर दिया? इंडियन आर्मी का क्यों आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं? कश्मीरी लोग कभी इंडियन आर्मी से इतने खौफजदा नहीं थे। आपको हो क्या गया ये?
सब्जेक्ट क्यों बदल रहे हैं? सब्जेक्ट क्यों बदल रहे हैं? शबनम लोन, व्हाई चेंजिंग द सब्जेक्ट? अब सब्जेक्ट क्यों बदल रहे हैं?
कश्मीरी कब इंडियन आर्मी से खौफजदा थे?
नहीं,
शबनम लोन जी, you remember the flood of Kashmir? The biggest rescue operation of the Kashmir was done by Indian Army. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ, this is a systematic attempt
किया है। ये
to infringe in the mind of Kashmiri youth.
जबरी है।
The feeling against Indian Army.
आपको do you feel is there any regret? No, Shabnam Lon, Mahesh Jethmalani is on the debate. Mahesh Jethmalani is on the debate. One sec, Sudhanshu Trivedi, Mahesh Jethmalani is on the debate, and I just want to ask you this question, and I know that this question is hurting you right now, but this is the question to ask. That do you regret backing Afzal Guru? Do you regret backing Burhan Wani? Because these are the people who are burning the schools, and this is why this question will be asked. Will you stop supporting terrorists after this? Shabnam Lon, Mahesh Jethmalani is on with you on the debate.
I said Burhan should have been arrested.
You refused to call Burhan Wani a terrorist. You refused to call Burhan Wani a terrorist. Will you call? You refused to call Burhan Wani a terrorist. Did you or did you not? Please don't beat around the bush.
Can you allow me?
Did you refuse to call Burhan Wani a terrorist or not, Shabnam Lon?
Okay, now listen.
Call him a terrorist on the program tonight. I will seal the debate. Say tonight on the news that Burhan Wani was a terrorist.
You did not arrest him. He could have been a gold mine of information.
Gold mine of information. Wonderful. Wonderful. So Osama bin Laden could have been Osama bin Laden would have been a gold mine of information for the Americans as well. I mean, this is the most absurd argument I've heard in a long time. Now, Mahesh Jethmalani is on the even now.
Think whatever you want to.
You decide which side you're on. You're embarrassed
today. You have a predetermined view.
I have no predetermined view. I have a very clear view on this, that I believe that those people who are burning the schools, those people who are burning the schools, Shabnam Lon, are the same people who you have been backing. Those people who have been attacking Parliament are the same people who you have been backing. Those people who have been killing our soldiers are the same people who you've been backing. And I am drawing a link between the three, and you don't like it. Mahesh Jethmalani is responding to you. Mahesh Jethmalani, please. Mahesh Jethmalani.
Arnab, all I want to say is Kashmir is at a very definitive stage in its life. And today we have an acid test as to where it is going. Forget the past, but I would have thought that people would repent for their mistakes in supporting the Afzal Gurus and, as you said, the Burhan Wanis. I don't want to make it personal against Shabnam Lon. She filibusters me every time because she knows she knows where she stands. She knows she's been wrong. Okay, Shabnam, please, I don't.
Decision, sir.
Shabnam,
don't say that.
Shabnam, I am not talking to you.
As a lawyer.
We have let you speak. The fact that you don't let me speak, it indicates where your mindset is. You have a mindset of a terrorist. Because you do not want to encourage debate.
Oh, really?
Every time I speak,
really?
you interrupt me.
You have the temerity, you have the guts of calling me a terrorist because I am a Kashmiri and a Muslim.
You have the mindset of a terrorist because you support them.
I am your colleague at the bar. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
You are not my colleague at the bar.
टेररिस्ट कहते हुए आप अपने आप को क्या यहाँ पे हीरो बनाना चाहते हैं?
I refuse to accept you as a colleague, but you may I am not. You are not a colleague as far as I'm concerned.
You are not the Supreme Court of India, nor the Supreme Court bar.
You are trying to give yourself a respectability which you don't deserve.
Oh really? Are you out of
Let me tell you that. Yes.
What has happened to you? What arguments are you making?
No, I'm trying to get into your mind. I'm trying to get into your mind.
तो अच्छा, तो फिर हमारे लिए कोई जगह नहीं है इस मुल्क में? तो आपके हिसाब से
And your mind shows anybody who says that Burhan Wani was a freedom fighter. Is a freedom fighter.
I really feel you are out
you
of
call
your mind.
Burhan. Did you or did you not call Burhan Wani a freedom fighter? Please tell us. Did you or did you not call Burhan Wani a freedom fighter? This was a man who was preaching jihad. He was preaching jihad and he was talking violence. How is he a freedom fighter?
You are the Gaurakshak Dal. You got Akhlaq killed. You are the people who asked those boys to kill Muslims. You are from the Gaurakshak Dal. The sort of arguments you have made today, I really
on your screens right now,
intelligent man.
On your screens right now, viewers, I just want to tell you, the viewers, that we are seeing. Viewers, it is ironic that this debate is going on at this point of time. On your screens right now, the latest pictures that have come in of the Shopian attack. As I just told you, a government principal's residential quarter has been set ablaze in Shopian. The office of the principal of DIET Shopian, the member secretary ZLSS of the district of Shopian has been attacked. And this is a training institute in Shopian, and Shabnam Lone, that you need to come to the core of the issue. Irfan Hafiz Lone and Shabnam Lone tonight. There's no need to dodge this issue. You may not like it. The fact is
I'm a terrorist.
Pardon me?
As per Mr. Jethmalani, your guest, I'm a terrorist, and Arnab, you should have stopped
Shabnam Lone, you are free to defend yourself. You are free to defend yourself. He did not call you a terrorist. He said you have the mindset of a terrorist. You feel free to respond yourself. Feel free to respond to him. I'm not stopping you, but you don't.
Who is he?
That you square off with him. That you square off with him. Okay, Mahesh Jethmalani is countering you once again. I don't want to. No, don't. Shabnam Lone.
I said you have a mindset of a terrorist. Anybody who calls Burhan Wani, who preaches jihad, violence and terrorism, anybody who supports him is an aider and abettor of terrorists. You are inciting terrorism. You are a terrorist. You have a mindset of a terrorist.
The real terrorist is in the government. That Satar Wage.
Do not give us.
जिसने बुरहान को हाथ में बंदूक दी, वो आपके कैबिनेट में है.
Shabnam Lone
आपको नहीं मालूम है, मुझे सब मालूम है.
Shabnam Lone and
जिसने बुरहान को हाथ में बंदूक दी.
I'll take a phone in from my reporter, please, on the subject. I need to.
पाकिस्तानी दोस्त हैं.
One second. Wasim Beg is back on the debate. Yes, please, Wasim. You have a point to make. Yeah, Wasim.
Arnab, yes. Can I get in? You have not given me chance.
Yes, Arnab, I think we are committing the same mistake that we have committed before, which is looking to manage Kashmir on a day-to-day basis. That has been the problem over the years. We need to find a permanent solution to this and not manage Kashmir on a day-to-day basis as has been done in the past.
What is that permanent solution?
I am surprised that Mr. Trivedi is... that is for the political leadership to decide, not for me to decide, but there has to be a permanent solution. We are managing Kashmir on a day-to-day basis. I'll tell you how if you give me the time. I quote 3 former prime ministers of the country. One promised plebiscite, the other said anything short of Azadi, the third nominated working groups to look for a solution to Kashmir. The working groups did have meetings. They came out with solutions and all their recommendations were thrown in the dustbin. Let me conclude.
No, sorry, Wasim. In Kulgam, 7 schools have been burned. In Badgam, 4 schools have been targeted. In Baramulla, 3 schools have been targeted. In Bandipora, Shopian, Gandarbal and Anantnag, 2 schools have been attacked in each district. In Pulwama, Kupwara and Srinagar, 1 school targeted in every district. You want us to talk about systemic reforms? Sudhanshu Trivedi.
I'm getting to that.
Yes, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
I am getting to that, Arnab. I am getting to that. By now, the debate has been Mahesh Jethmalani versus Shabnam Lone. I am getting to the point.
Yes, if you let me. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Yes.
I just want to ask a basic fundamental question.
Trivedi is merely pointing out the flaws. He needs to tell us what they intend to do now.
Should have some azadi, or they should have right to fight for azadi. But burning the school, by which parameter can be termed as an attempt for azadi? I think this is a
I'm not saying they need to have that. I'm very sorry.
For the barbadi, not for azadi.
I'm not saying they need to have that. But coming from prime ministers, former prime ministers of India, they needed to carry some weightage. political leadership is making
Mr. Wasim Beg, Mr. Wasim Beg.
The plebiscite you have talked about in 1947 that has become obsolete.
So Wasim Beg, I don't understand this logic. Maybe it's too complicated, you know.
And even the plebiscite.
Just one minute. I want to go back to the story. I have Farid Mir, our reporter in Kashmir, who is with us on the phone line. Farid Mir, can you bring us the latest? Can you bring us the latest on this attack in Shopian, please, Farid?
Yes, Arnab. This is basically quarters or residential quarters of the principal of District Institute of Educational Training, which was set ablaze once again by miscreants. Now, this happened just half an hour back, in fact 45 minutes back. Luckily, the principal was not at his quarters. They came in, set it on blaze and escaped. Now, before the fire tenders could reach, most part of this building was completely gutted. And this, of course, happening at a time when there has been another incident, as I speak to, in Bandipora, where some shops have been gutted. So this madness clearly is continuing, and this is the 27th such incident in the last 4 months, and the 11th such incident in the last 10 days alone. Now, right now, along with fire tenders, other people, including police, have also reached the spot. But again, no.
Okay, Shabnam Lone, any sense of regret? Forget the embarrassment that you're probably facing today because you've been openly supporting terrorists in the past. I go to just one last question, and GD Bakshi, I'm coming to you after that. Just one last question here, Shabnam Lone. Will you have a candlelight march or march on the streets of Srinagar? Will you possibly do that, Shabnam Lone? Fly down to Srinagar, march on the streets of Srinagar against the terrorists and say that your own position, you may have backed these terrorists in the past, but now that they are targeting the children of Jammu and Kashmir, they're targeting the students, that you will march on the streets of Srinagar fearlessly against these same terrorists who you were backing earlier. Please, I just want to hear that from you tonight.
Who fight for justice. Kashmir is the story of forgotten justice.
Don't give me a lecture. No, I don't. Don't give me a lecture. Don't give me a lecture.
Injustice looms in Kashmir.
Don't give me a lecture.
We have children
Answer the question
dead.
specifically.
We have children blinded. And you make your own point, and I will make my own point. I'm not supposed to stick by what you say. And what you say need not be correct.
Shabnam Lone.
You are way off the mark. You are wrong.
The question is very simple.
I will never support terrorists. What I will always support is justice. I will always go against injustice, and I will, till my dying day, I will fight for that. Whether you are okay with that or not, it doesn't bother me.
Was Burhan Wani a terrorist?
Oh really? I'm again saying that the person who gave him a gun in his hand,
yes or no answer, Shabnam Lone.
Is a minister
yes or
in
no
the
answer.
present cabinet.
Give me a straightforward black and white yes or no answer, please.
Who were, I'm saying Burhan Wani was not a terrorist, he's a victim of circumstances.
There you are. So you have no right. In that case, you have no right. Once again, GD Bakshi, Mahesh Jethmalani, in that case, you have no right. In that case, you have no right. You have no moral right. You have no moral right to speak about the burning of the schools. Mahesh Jethmalani responding to you. Mahesh Jethmalani responding to you. You've said it a second time. You said it on the 9th of August. You said it on the 22nd of February 2016. You're saying it again, Mahesh Jethmalani, please. Mr. Jethmalani, then you are on the side of the terrorists. Then you are with the terrorists.
See, Farooq Abdullah was a member of the Jammu
I'm glad the hypocrisy is being shown out in the open, Mahesh Jethmalani. And then we are closing this.
There is no hypocrisy.
There is an obvious hypocrisy in this. Shabnam Lone. And it cannot be hidden anymore.
Farooq Abdullah was a member of the Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front. Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah was designated as a terrorist. Wasim's grandfather,
Mr. Jethmalani, Mr. Jethmalani.
But then later on they became constitutional heads.
Yes.
Lal Denga was also a terrorist. Later on he became a chief minister.
They never openly advocated jihad and had a machine gun in their hand and said that we support IS, we support Daesh. You are an ardent admirer of Daesh, Shabnam Lone. You are an ardent admirer of Daesh.
Daesh is un-Islamic, sir. Sir, Daesh is un-Islamic. We will never support them. They must go to hell. They have brought a bad name to humanity, to the Muslims. Let ISIS go to hell.
It is the same people with the mindset of Daesh, the same people who are burning schools today in Kashmir. Burhan Wani had the same mindset as Daesh, and you supported him. You said he was a freedom fighter.
What is the government
He had a gun in his hand.
What is the
He
government
supported
doing
Daesh, and you supported him.
Sir, what is the government doing?
You said what Nawaz Sharif said in the UN.
Yes.
You mouthed the words of the Pakistani president in the UN that Burhan Wani was a freedom fighter. That's what you said.
When she met the Prime Minister.
Viewers, I'm closing this debate with the pictures once again from Shopia, full frame on the screen, please, where a government principal's residential quarter has been set ablaze in Shopian in Kashmir. This is the latest of incidents which are directly targeting all educational institutions. Children have been targeted, educational institutions have been targeted, schools have been burned down. Now the residential quarters of principals and teachers is also being targeted. The intent is very clear. Shabnam Lone, Mahesh Jetpalani, Sudhanshu Trivedi, GD Bakshi, Mr. Beg and Mr. Lone, thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.